Jewelry again as well.
Because batho ba tlo bona di private parts borukgo santse bo efa so tlo ngaka go bonganga.
Then
I don't have a problem with that. For free, I'm not even gonna charge for that. Just to bontsha batho gore this thing they are happening. Ke na le dipheko mo koloing. I don't mind doing that. Today ke tlile ke le sorted and I'm not gonna charge you.
Ungena kanjani la ukhona la kulesimo engisibona ngisicokile namhlanje?
Before Modimo go ne le batho. Modimo ra morapela. Badimo ra ba begela. Digobela tsa no. 90% abana nnete.
O tlo bua ka confidence and o bua ka conviction. My question is the fear of the unknown.
I'm one person, I don't go down without a fight. Selo re ke senyaka. Ke a se dira ke be ke skere right ke a se thoma ebile ke a se fetša. And then o be right. You don't have to gore ba re wa thwasa. Dilo tše dingwe di tlhoke thwaso. A se mangaka ka moka a ileng gore a thwasang itlo ba dingaka. Ba bangwe le thwasetša melato ya batswadi ba lena ya gale.
Abantu bakhuluma into eziningi. Mangikhula mina kunomuntu othena bekahlala nenyoka, omunye uhlele emanzini for amalanga what. So it's a myth for someone okhulela somewhere kumakhalanzini okhulela ngalesi ngamleni okhulela kuphi. How true are these experiences zabantu?
O tle mo thwasong. Go na le mangaka mangwe ba rwala ka bana ba batho. Ene
Hey, how you repeat ungari ithatanyana?
go na le dingaka tše dingwe di rwala ka bana ba batho.
Inzima kangakanani le ndaba yokungena kulosiko?
I don't na personally a ke filele motho sorry o yena sa nkwele botlhoko.
Damage amang o etsang or o ba mo etsang?
O yetsang.
Yeah.
If nna ke dira wena,
Yeah.
wena you get more damaged than nna o ke go dirang.
Oh.
The honest.
Is it?
Because ya ja.
Yeah.
Inyaka madi ala kere.
Yeah. Right. Boloi boteng o raboya.
Ye ya ka pheko ya shala ye go kerekeng this one.
Yeah, e ka tlhakanya dilo.
Yeah.
Ra tšhelete kopana jwang le masepo a itse di deng yang confuse jwale gore ke a utlwa gore no ba kenana gore ba
Then Sancho Rubaleleng man to man.
ya bimba ke kwaya manje. Okay.
You allow me ka bitsa one of your guys ka mmea mo nka mokakisha life.
Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, manena manenekazi, abafana, ama-auti, ikhumsha, from istrata to ekasi, to izone, to region, to province until the national SADC region, Lesotho, Gaborone, Botswana, Swaziland, sithatha ngecontinent yase-Africa, bese sithatha to the world. Be greeted in the presence of the Lord. Heavenly greetings. I hope this finds you well and in good spirits. Igama uThemba Nzimande. This is the newest show in the land. Esi-introduce-ayo vandag. Straight from the head office. La sibizwa ukuthi Union Building yethu le. Bedford Center. Head office yeSkim to be Foundation. Siyancanywa. Now igama le show. Ngiyazi abaningi bayibuza ukuthi awanda kuhambani. Sibize Rings and Bearings. Phindani nami Rings and Bearings. This way we unpack stories zabantu. Where abantu ke they've got the heart-wrenching experience. They've gone through the most in the journey of life. So vandag with me in the building. Ngiphethe umkoni. She calls herself the Black Beauty. Ngihlangane naye kuphi? Ngistart ama TikToks every morning on Mondays. So mangifika uyangena uyakhomenta ngithi no lo ngiyamdinga lo ngiyamfuna. So kumele nazi ukuthi le can't get can't tholakala. I'm sure manibheka the way agcoke ngakhona. Ngesizulu angazi bayibiza ini, abanye bathi bayavunula, abanye bayibiza yasedladleni, omunye traditional, omunye cultural. So ngiyanibingelela ke nonke ke, ngicela ukuthi nibuseke sinamukelile until ama episodes azolandela kuzobe kushubile kumanzi phansi. My sister kiyawudumedisha man, ralitamisha, be greeted and good day. Ninjani namhlanje?
Ere ke go leboge Skimi. Dumelang baboredi ka moka. O a bolelang o ke Dr. Black Beauty, Queen of all trades. Lebora mmako Sebanyoni, mokoni wa Ntšhidikgolo, mina Tlhantlhagane Thobela.
Thobela. Hey, abanye bathi enda. Siyabonga man. Thank you very much. for allowing us ukuthi sibe nawe namhlanje, and also for yielding into the call, because abantu ababhayo nokhuluma nabathi hayi into zami azivumi nginokuya ngizicheck namhlanje ngiyobana ngi-conversation bale ku-10 just last je me bro kanti wayohlala ukhuluma ngalezi zinto awucwaya ukuthi bangakushaya ngithi bakuthakathe labantu ngithi chief unthakatable angiloyeki right. Sizokhuluma ngento ezibhaya, you might be offended, so before offendeka ngicela ukuthi ulike usubscribe bese uyacommenta and share, because iMalican Media ikulethele bukhoma indaba zangaphansi komhlaba, the underworld. So siswami re tlo bua, re tlo toloka, re tlo rera, sizibiza zonke. So ngifuna uku-understand manje ukuthi what made you heed to the call eyale calling olendlela kuyo ukeni jwang, and then abantu abaningi bayangena ngibabona igele. I'm worried about that, so I'm going to push you, so please allow me ucele ngiyazi abogogo abomkhulu abo aunt abomalume ukuthi bake bakuvumela ukukhuluma nathi so that the world may know ungena kanjani la ukhona la kulesimo engisibona usigcokile namhlanje.
Firstly ke ngaka ya setjo ne ke le ngaka ya setjo ke goletše batswadi ba ka, mme wa ka e ne le mosione, papa ka e be le mopostolo, they were married. So now my journey e startile ge ne ke le ko Greenwood College, ne ke le ngwana wa ditoro. I will dream, but the funny thing was I will tell them gore no ke lora 1 2 3 it will happen. And then my father, because of Greg, he knew whatever, I won't say ke bothata bolwetši baka, but I decided go se bolele. Now I would say it was just a dream, but then because ne di direga, I will say skimi go bona o dira accident 1 2 3, then tomorrow they will call me and say it happened. Then my father would just say no, go tlo loka, it's fine, as long re bone it won't happen. Then it happens, only to find out gore he knew exactly who I am, but una ali in denial because of Greg. But we intend to forget gore before Modimo go na le batho, Modimo ra mo rapela, badimo ra ba begela. Those things are two different things. Now mo calling yaka ne ke le motho gore ge ke ile magaeng ba tla re ngwana magweng, ke raloke diketo, ke raloke kgati, I will be that ngwana magweng. That's how they used to call me. Then ka bona gore ke different from bana ba bangwe, ke ba le steno, and then ke kgona go bona gore o ga tšo kong lapeng le right, re sa bolele ka bohumi le go ge ke re motho o poor or rich, re bolela ka boloi, sorry to say. So now I would sense gore ngwano wa nkimela, or there's something wrong ka yena. Then ke mo ileng gore ke kgonne go bona gore ke different from bana ba bangwe. Batswadi ba ka they never agreed gore ke go thwasa. It was not by my choice gore ke ile kowe. My father would do mebereko wa sedimo a kgopele gore please ga ba nkemele ke gole. Yena would say a ke gane, but from the actions I would see gore na sanya ke thwasa, na sanya ke gore ke be ngaka. But then it was not his choice. In a ile calling, I normally tell people gore if never bongaka ba applyelwa, nna ne nka se bo applyele, because a ke rate, I had to love who I am, but ke sa rate bongaka. I've always wished to be a better person. Ke ska nka tlhakana le motho ba re ke ngaka na le maetse and everything, I will change the street because ke sa rate the way ba leng, only to find out really now one of the good days I will be like that. But luckily ke binne gae mogolo ga tšiane, the late professor, the only traditional doctor o a kgonneng gore Department of Health recognize even today. Gale ngaka ne ile ditšhila, ngaka ile, so yena he had that thing ya gore education first, so that o skebe wa tla go nyaka go ja ka batho, you'll end up doing wrong things for the sake of money, o sa lebella botlhokwa ba ntho o e dirang. Dingaka tša no 99.9%, I repeat 99.9% ya batho ba ba binneng go njwale a se dingaka. Now ke tlo e senya ka gore journey ya ka e startile ke le ngwana, ke wele ko Greenwood College ka Church and Princess Park Avenue ko Pitori, ke be ke bala grade 10. Now, mo ne ba setse badimo ba se tlholo ba nyaka.
Yeah.
It was worse. Then, ka bolela le motswadi wa ka, a re, you know what? Ema pele o fetse matric, you will go. Unfortunately, he didn't make it. 2013, I lost my dad. 2012, I lost my mom. Now, the time ke tlo dira grade 12, ke wele ko sekolong. Instead of ba phonele my father, ba phonetse ambulance. Then they call my father after. Ha ambulance e fitla, papa ka a fitla. Then, what they are saying, principal o rile a re, my father said, ha ke tsene ko ambulanceng, o tla tsamaya le nna, he knows what to do. I didn't see anything, so I don't know what happened. Ha ke tsoga, I was home, ko Pitora North. Then my dad told me what happened. Because ke di private schools, I was a laughing stock the following day ha ke ya ko sekolong. Then they thought gore ke di fitting because ke lumile leme la ka and whatever that they've explained, but it was not that, ke badimo. And I'm one person, even today, I can't cry. O ka mpetha wa dirang, if ke kwatile, ke a tima, ke a omella. I can't.
The reason why o sa lle.
It's not that. I wish go lla. Na I won't say I was. I'm still a daddy's little girl. My father, I would share everything learn. I was not raised by my mom.
Yeah.
Yet they were married. Separation ya bona, maybe ke yona nkirileng gore ke be too much to my dad because I was raised by a single father. So, let me cut that short. Ke ile ko ga Tšiane, Kosheng, ba ile go bina like, nna ne ke ile bogela because tate will tell you, look, o timeletswe ke koloi. Koloi ya gagwe ko moketo ko scheme. He will tell you names and say name everything. Go tswa maphodisa ba ye ko, they will find it. E be ile sedupe. E be se ngaka fela. E be ile sedupe. He will tell you names and say name everything. Ka meropa because o na bina ka meropa.
Yeah.
So now, he ke ntse ke lebeletse, then he will point Junior le ko Falbanka. A re Lebogang. Wena o ra o nyako go bina, dingaka di ditšhila. Nna self ne ke le teacher, they put me where I am. Ka tlogela go teacher ko sekolong, ka ba ngaka. E ne se kgetho ya ka, e ne le calling. Then ka tpotsa gore ha o no bolela ke tlo dira dilo tse nna. Watching him, he ntse ke ya Kosheng, dikosha go na le kosha le gore e re gomolela ke kosha ka ya badimo ya nkudisha. So now ke rile go ekwa became worse ka ra ke sa ya kwa dikosheng. Ke try go tlogela morago thinking gore the more ke ba batametse. So I would ke tlogele morago from that. Ke focus mo sekolong, but it didn't happen. The time ke ile ka Mercedes, it was 2016. Ke drive-ile ka yo lebella kosha. The time I was supposed to go back. It couldn't, ne sa start, ne sa iriselo. Ra bitsa ba towing. Re ba fitla, but no, e re started before, ba startile ya dumela. But now when I supposed to go, nothing happened. I couldn't go. Ba phahla, ba dira whatever, I went back home, ka ishia. Boshigo ha ke fitla, I couldn't sleep. And nna ke robala ka lepona. That's number one. Ka ba le problem ya sleepwalking. Remember, ke robala nakedly so. Monyako ha o key. Now ne ke nna Derteport. There's my cousin, ba re ke Madimabe le Sello ba ga Molekwa. Ba ka itlhatsela, I would wake up mo mpetong ke itswe, ke bolele. Remember ka Paraselo?
Yeah.
He's a guy. Madimabe ke ngwanyana. He will try to protect me ankape sha direng, but nna ka bolela. Tomorrow they will tell me gore no dira solo so bolela le mogalabe a re so. Ne ke sa le sekolong. Then ka bona gore okay, ge ke fetsa dithuto tša ka, let me just ke tsamaye ko pheta. But ban ribege so that ke be ko kerekeng, ke ska ba ko bongakeng. Tate o rile ga mpotsa ra ke tswalle batho. Badimo ba gago, wena kwena santse ba gopela gore nna nnyakeleng ko kerekeng. I've tried that, but it failed. I even went to go bazwalaneng, ba re ha ke di demons fire, ba tla dintšha. Then I had no choice but ka ya ka yo thwasa 2016. I came back 2018. I was supposed to come back at 2017, but my brother passed away. Then they had to change the date. Nka se boe ka mo gae go le leswiswi ka dipheko jaka.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Jwale re a kena jwale. There's a prolific author and a poet. He once said, ukulimala kwengqondo ukulimala komuntu, ukulimala komuntu ukulimala komphakathi, ukulimala komphakathi ukulimala kwesizwe. So we are going to talk about the issues that are going to mhlambe somewhat rub you the wrong way. O tla re inela matsoho metsing, because I want to bring something completely different. This is not just go swaswa fela or blowing hot air just because re batla ho senya airtime or data. I want people to learn, or to unlearn even some certain things. Let me just ask you a simple question, because I do a lot of talkings around the schools. In 2019, at DJs, we did about over 1,100 schools. There is a new concern and a growing culture. I don't know whether it's demonic, it's spiritual, but it's a warfare, war in the spirit. Bana bayatwasa. Mina, personally, I am not for that notion. You gave me your experience, okay, istatile ko skolong. But now, what is this thing? Ufela matric wa twasa. Ulahlwa ki boyfriend wa twasa. What's going on with this thing? Yabana nje babanyani sebana le dlozi kaofela.
Ask me, but to the intent to kore banyaka thusho, but in a wrong way. Number one, sorry, you cannot ore wa ba jo yo twasa. Not everybody o atwasang itlo bangaka. I don't know if you understand that.
Yeah.
Nka no tshwenya ke badimo. Mara wa kry le gore a go tlhokagala gore ke twasa. Wa lafiwa, then wa ba right. Now batho ba no motho le ga le positive.
Yeah.
O rona le badimo. Why is that? Ba tsere bongaka ba bo dira fashion. Bongaka no a bo sa tlhomphiwa. I don't want to state mabitso a batho.
Yeah.
But 90% ya mangaka ba dira dilo tse wrong. Go itla mo nna ke bona gore o tshwenya ke badimo. That doesn't mean santse go twasisha. Why ke sa go alafe o be right? O kry le gore o tshwenya ba re ke badimo ba ga bo papa. Why re sa go phatlele re dire whatever?
Yeah.
And then o be right. You don't have to gore ba re wa twasa. Dilo tse dingwe di tlhoke twaso. Go a kgonagala gore motho a be HIV positive, ne? Excuse, a be a boe. A tshware ke badimo. Go ne le ditlhare tse ileng gore specifically we are not allowed to give that person because o positive gore is ka cleaner whatever medication o ba mo fang ke ditlhare tsa madi.
Yeah.
A ra tshwanela go mo fa tsone
Yeah.
because o mo medicationeng. Now what about ba ileng gore they HIV positive ga bana badimo and then ba ya go twasa? Di gobela tsa no 90% a bana nnete. Santse dingaka di ithute go ba le nnete. Ba lebella tšhelete gore okay, I'll benefit that 50,000 ke motho a sisha. Forgetting gore motho le ana badimo. Ga sa bereke go ba go sa bereke re kopele o tlo re ngaka ile ntswaletse. So ba bangwe go ne le gore ba lafiwe. Remember the late Prof Giano o rile re o ka thwasetsa go fola go ba wa lafiwa a se mangaka ka moka a ileng gore a thwasang itlo ba dingaka. Ba bangwe le thwasetsa melato ya batswadi ba lena ya gale. Ba bangwe le gale o tlo ba ngaka. Mara ba bangwe le tlo alafa. A se ngaka tse ka moka tse di thwasitseng di kgonang go alafa. Go ba dingaka tse ka moka di thwasitseng e leng dingaka le today.
So, go utlwa o bua ka confidence and o bua ka conviction. My question is the fear of the unknown. Because go na le ba bang, ha o bua so 90%, probably o one, he subscribe under the 90%. And batho ba le ba re tla mo lawyer o a phinyo. So,
Skimi nna ke lawyer, they've tried. If you can check, it's just that ke apere di tlhwatlhwa ne. Go na le mo
dibadi.
yes.
Yeah.
So ba mpethile ka sefula ke ratile gae. Ba leka gore ngakanyana ya ngwanyana will see gore o tla kgona na. Ene ke kgonne. Ba re moreki a ithekole. Ke mixitse tsaka ka katela ditlhare. Ka te pereka ka make sure gore a ke fe di enemy tsaka ntho di nyakang. I'm one person, I don't go down with a fight. Selo re ke senyaka ke a se dira ke be ke skere right ke a se thoma ebile ke a se fetša. There's no way mo nkareng molwetši wa tla and then ka mmotša gore a ke kgone selo se the only thing e leng gore nna a ke kgone ke go rwalolla motho nka se remember ge motho a tlile ka Ndombeng se thoma ka Ndombeng se fella ka Ndombeng now the problem that I had last week ntate o tlile from kwa tswang gona Lesotho a re Mokoni ke tswa go rwala Malawi now ke humile le dinala I'm rich a ke sa nyaka lapa la ka la fela ke kgopela o tloshe ntwe mo go nna ke rile re ke tshilla dipheko I can't aka mo fitlela ka re because ke tempta ke 500,000 let me take it ke tse di chance no ke mbonitse straight gore I can't lebaka ke gore ba go hlabetše ka madi ya noga eo now ge nna ke go tlosha yona wena santse o tlhokofale and he was not ready for that so ka mo thusha ka re go back ko ro ileng gona and then the very same person wa go radišitšeng o tla go assist he came back yesterday a re Mokoni o tlhokofetše o bolokile last week now what do I do so mangaka ga rena di nnete santse o botša motho nnete gore look nna ke le Mokoni sa ke sekgone this one I can but no bongaka ba bo dirile fashion a ba sa fitla ga le bongaka ne bo tlhomphiwa scheme no ka se kere ba re ngaka e butše maoto e dirang ba bontšha gore dipheko re mixang we don't do that no ngaka santse bo hlomphe and e be sephiri some of the things go njwa le bongaka bo pepeneneng now if you allow me o ka bitša one of your guys ka mmea mo nka mokakisha life I'm not gonna charge you for that just to go bontšha gore some of the things dingaka di bolela fela but ge ba re dira selo they can't all they do is talk I can do that
tsantsa tle mo a re mo jwetse tsantsa ba tla dule mo fatshe mo anye re bone straight you know now let me just declare people a lot of people they know gore no Themba u embrace thy spirituality sa Christianity so Themba is a Christian mara ge I'm not naive because re phela re le batho ra phedisana and two re bua ka constitution if I'm going to choose to say nah I am prone or nah I'm against anything that says bungaka or whatever yes ababetse ko gonna but now what do I say about the ones that are saying no re na le problem le di gay personalities or the alphabet gang you know LGBTQI community or the queer community in abbreviation so that is why I'm saying I'm just open as they come. The reason why I brought you here today, it's so that maybe some of the questions that I have, you could be able to answer. And I'm saying, I have been engaging with a lot of young people. And koskolong, bafake izinto labantwana. And it's a mess because abanye bayakhala babona izinto, abanye bayafenta, abanye bayawa, abanye bayabhodla. So sisolva kanjani because abo mistress babhekene ne-problem lapana. I-government, yes, ikhona, but i-government, remember, people are minding their own business. Balapana as political hits, but they don't have solutions on the ground. So when again, ngifuna sibuyisele back to the sender, where it comes from. How can we then keep lento eyenzakala ezikolweni manje South Africa? Akunasikolo esinganamntwana ongathwasanga, sinasikolo esinganamntwana ongafanga ifawu. And manje you are saying when I know these people are very young. Why would umntwana mela hamba yoda baze bamthathe is not obligated. I mean, usiqedile isikolo ungazange wenze lento le siyilungisa kanjani lento?
Skimi sekgwa se re charity begins at home. Batswadi ke bona ba isenyang go feta di teacher because remember nna ke le motswadi ke bona gore ngwana ka o so what do I do as a parent? We cannot blame dikolo. Yes, bana ba wa go dikolong and those things, but where does it start? It begins at home. Nna ke le motswadi ge ke bona gore ngwana ka o na le badimo. O tšea ngwana wa mo phethela, you kneel down ko badimong ba gago, goba o ya kerekeng. Nna ke le so, I wouldn't want gore Pumpkin a be le badimo because I know the feeling. I don't want that. That is why ke make her sure gore o ya kerekeng. I don't want her to be like me. Ke rata setšo sa ka ne, but I also love God. So, batswadi ba wrong. Ngwana re lo monyane o ska misha thwasong. Ngwana wa mo kgopella sedimong. Gore e sa lo monyane. Re kgopela 1 2 3 o mo direla jwala. That doesn't cost you even 200 rand. Mohlabo it's bo ma 70 rand. Bupi ke bokae? O ya ko sedimong o re ga re gane selo. Ga re nyatše selo. E fela e sa lo monyane mo emeleng pele a gole. O tla ya ayo phetha. Why it's wrong gore ba ishe ngwana thwasong ba re because of ga sa gona. A ke eng sa se kgoning? I don't believe gore modimo a ka go dire gore a ka go fa ntho e leng gore go sa se tle go palla if ke mpho ya gago there will be a way ya gore o tlo iphethele without gore o tlo o kopantša le dikolo le this thing ya gore o tshwara ngwana ke mpho ya badimo ngwana ga thoma bele gore initially ga tlogole o protected a go tlhokagale nna ke ngaka mara bana ba ka nka se ba phatse ka magare ka dirang ka re ke ba tshwara mmele no ke na le lebaka a rata ke ba ishenukeng ba tlhape phororong a ko bereka ngwana mmele ba re ke tshwara ngwana mmele no I don't do that re senya from ka lapeng imagine now ke tlo rwadisha pumpkin di photo di eng ke ngwana sekolo what does it says about me as ke le motswadi batswadi ba rong ngwana wa mogopella sedimong a phethelo o tletla re ka morago a tla thwasa if ngwana that thing ya gore if a decide go kerekeng gore badimo ba ga ba monyake ka kerekeng then let it be na I don't condone into gore ngwana a sa le sekolong a thwasa I don't.
Yeah. Let's jump into issue ya luck because batho ba bangata ba believela ko luck. Hard work ha isa leyo ke taba ya luck. Is there such a thing as into ya gore ba re mesh o tswitse luck yaka ke kene kae ankutswes or o wentse something but ha fihla kona because nna a ke tsebe gore ke domonyana wa gona motho o utswa mahlatsi le mahlonolo a gago.
Yes, it's possible. Nna self nka gona like now you are a businessman. Ga o itla fela nka go bereka gore wena o bereke le nna ke ntse ke le ngaka. Yes, it's possible. Ke ba kae ba ileng gore ba thwasitse ba lla gore badimo ba bona ga ba berekele. When you check o krele gore ngaka e motswaletsi berekisha mahlatsi a gagwe. So yes, it's possible.
I'll be making a mistake if I don't touch this subject. I know it's a very sensitive subject, but teach, preach. You're still tuned in. Every beats are rings and bearings. This is where we are talking about every other issue. We are still going to touch life at every point. Gay, lesbian personalities, whether we beats are the transgender and. Ki kena ko kasiaka go na le section ba re ke go zoom ra batlang qolla. Now in that section 80% of the people ba thwasang mola they have obviously crossed the floor now. They are gay personalities. Ke kopa yang ngwari ya le yona hanyane wa bona. I'm not sure gore no taba ya bongaka ena le alignment or ena le nthonyana e ring gay go hare. So what's going on? And I'm not being sexist, but ba ska ba personal ka but I'm saying you find a lot of people how ka roba even go social media uthola le ba dingamla. So kwenzakalani with bungaka le bu gay?
Skimi ke tlo ya mo tabeng ela ne ke bolela ka yona ya go rwala. Nna ke le ngaka so.
Yeah.
I can still say I can change people, but I can still again not change people. E ra ithu ke kgomo ya moshate wa e rapa molato wa e tlogela molato. Now o tle mo thwasong go na le mangaka mangwe ba rwala ka bana ba batho.
Hey, how you repeat ungari aye ungari ithatanyana yo.
Go na le dingaka tše dingwe di rwala ka bana ba batho. Ene go na le this thing ya gore a ke re nna ke le mokoni ke le soka kra another lady I'll be getting more money. Go tshwana le ge e le ngaka ya monna e robala le monno mong. O kreya mahlatsi mo there's a way of doing that but a se dingaka ka moka. Ole scheme wa kra mushimane you turn that boy to a gay and there's no way wena o ka tla wa re wa modirula wa ile back to ka mogonaleng
o motena le so ba tlile njile out and then a convert I decide or no jwale se ke batla o ba gay
because ba bang ke di genes they were born like that.
Okay.
Ba bang ha ba beloga ba le so a kere go ne le o mongwe I won't mention yena she was raped. That's why ele lesbian ha sa manyaka banna.
Okay.
Sale a rapiwa ana le 17. Even today o data banyana a nyake batho ba banna. But she was not born a lesbian. I see the hormones as eng because what she has been through that is why I attended to what she is today.
Traditionally ba kholo gen because it's very important for us to understand gore ntwe e tla jwang. How bua okay let's call it for a lack of a better word madlosi. According to wena the connection ya how le ya ho u lahlela masapo ya dumeleha ntho ela hore okay motho a convert then abe ntho a seng yona, because now you are something that you are not meant to be.
No. Nna sedimong a gona mo ba reng monna santse a dule le monna goba mosadi a dule le mosadi. Sedimong a gona gay, a gona lesbian. Because remember motho wa modimo le badimo nna go ya ka nna.
Yeah.
Then if modimo a go file goba badimo ba go file a certain part, it means that's who you are. Wena once we ba something else, it means you have changed yourself. It's not who you are.
Yeah.
Nna personally, I don't believe in that.
Okay.
Ba gona mo family
Yeah.
nka se ba judge. Who am I to judge them?
Yeah.
Ke believe gore ke choice ya motho.
Okay.
It has got nothing to do le badimo or modimo.
Yeah.
There's no such thing. If nna ke le mokoni ke le so, modimo a mfile part ya bosadi, ge ke change ke nyoko ba monna, it's my decision. It's
Okay.
not as akabelo go ke le ka mgo. Ase nna ke choice ya ka. It has got nothing to do le madlozi or le modimo. A ke re modimo o mpopile and modimo o ntsibile ke sale ka mo mpeng ya motswadi wa ka. So there's no way nka reng modimo dirile mistake, I was supposed to be a man. But again, nna personally ke ne le matla banna. Ke tlo tlogela ka mgo.
One miss call. Hey, yeah, no namhlanje ngathi ihlangahlangene lenti ihamba ngenye indlela. Ke batla uyisa somewhere because ngifuna ukuyokhuluma ngendaba yokuthwasa or indaba yokuthwala for kahle ngifuna lokuthwala not ukuthwasa, ukuthwala. So before siyongena endabeni yokuthwala, if you don't mind, I would love for you to share the journey. There's a dark world or a dark place la umuntu afika ngene khona, but it's a trying time abaningi la kumele uhambe khona manje soyothwasa njalo. So it's a moment or it's a phase la umunye umuntu ngathi angayijump abaningi babekhuluma. So that journey kuwe, because abanye ngiyabona ngathi fashion, so that if there are young people abacabanga ukuthi lento fashionable, so that ba understand the essence nobunzima nobu difficult bayo lento nokungena entweni mase kumele uyiphile sekuba nzima. Inzima kangakanani le ndaba yokungena kulosiko?
Let me put it this way. Go monate re setse tšhelete e le gona. But go phela ka yona a go monate. I don't know if you understand. Go ya o re nna ke nyaka tšhelete.
Yeah.
Because of the difficulties that you're facing.
Yeah.
The very same difficulties tše leng gore wena self o ka tentšha mo go tsona ntle le go rwala.
Yeah.
Wena o decide go go tšea phofolo goba selo o rwala. Nna tše nna ke di tsebang tše le gore I can assist ka tsona di 5.
Yeah.
Ke noga, ke motlhare, ke legundwane, ke bafana ba ncane, ke pengu.
Kahle ke so unpackile waqeda wena. Before singena kule ndaba yethu yokuthwala, asikhulume le ndaba yokuthwasa. Abantu bakhuluma into eziningi. Mangikhula mina kunomuntu othena bekahlala nenyoka, omunye umuntu uhlele emanzini for amalanga what. So it's a myth for someone okhulela somewhere kumakhalanzini, okhulela ngalesi ngamleni, okhulela kuphi. How true are these experiences zabantu? It's something ekhona lento ephilayo ukuthi umuntu uyahlala straight nenyoka, umuntu uyahlala straight emanzini, umuntu uyanyamalala for a month kungaziwa ukuthi ukuphi nani, then abuye sekabuya. Ngaphandle kwala besibabonayo basezonke izizwe, baseMamelodi somewhere, abanye sesibabona kuMoja Love.
Skimmy, now I would prefer to say something that I'm sure of.
Yeah.
Something that it has happened. Ke tlo bolela ka nna personally.
Yeah.
Whereby ke tsene ko metsing and then they will panic and say, what if I don't come back? Banya ke go bitsa batho ba tlong assista gore ke tswe. Ne ke dutse ka mo metsing ke na le morero le badimo ba ka.
Deep inside.
Yes. I do have the photo.
Yeah.
From outside,
Yeah.
and everything, but I couldn't take the picture to inside.
Yeah.
But never panic gore it's been long. Normally I don't do that.
Yeah.
what if habo re bitse maphodisa re direng? But the person who knew me, which was my father, would say no. O tlo boa. O sana le badimo ko fatshe.
No man, metsi a re bua ka metsi tankeng so. O kena ko hara metsi ka fish. Like o subelle, like deep inside the water.
Yes. I would say ke pororo, very deep. Very, very deep.
Mara, you can breathe. Mola ko hare ona mo.
Ke a nna like as we sitting now.
Yeah.
Mara metsi a be ko godimo.
Oh.
Inside it will be dry.
Nkare ke tunnel.
Yes, ka mogare it will be dry. If sale wa ya ko modimo lle. Lerara la gona it's like that, but ko godimo ke metsi. When you go down, a se metsi ka mo fatshe. Ke mabu.
Yeah.
You see things that you can't touch.
Yeah. Imaginary world.
At first, I maybe I can normal. But then now, ka gopola gore I'm not the same. A ke tshwane le batho ba bangwe.
Yeah.
Gona ka mogore dutsing ke dule le ba khalabe. Then ke be le mentality gore e re ke ba tshware, ke try go bolela le bona ke le gausu. Nka tsentšha letsogo but still ke bone ke santsane ke sa fitlhe ko ke ya.
Ba o re ba khalabe bua ka batho ba fitile.
Yes.
Oh, ba tlhogofetse gale batho ba.
The great grandparents.
Exactly. So now you are khona ukubabona like in flesh, not in spirit. Like ngaru dutse le bona, la o sa toloke le bona.
Yes, but then you would say ere ke ba tshware but you can't.
Yeah.
No.
So what are they doing? Are they trying to educate you? Are they trying to empower you with knowledge? Because I'm getting somewhere. I want to know if you can see if someone will make it in life. Because these are real issues. I'm not saying people should take this route. Shortcuts.
Yes, gona le mo ileng gore ba re moreko a ithekole ne. But then now there's where wena ba tlo go botsa gore mo o ba le problem. Now the problem e ileng gore you'll be facing but wa ipotsa gore no, ai mo ke tlo putla. That's the time mo ileng gore I knew gore I'm in trouble. And there's no way mo nka putlang. I had to gore nna ke out of that.
Yeah.
But there was no alternative. I had to pass that pain because still in denial to do what they wanted me to do. That was 2021. And I'm not going to touch it. I will wait for it gore e tswe mo bukeng yaka le mo documentary yaka whereby ke wisha gore ke shoot life in prison what I've went through. I don't want to touch it because it was short period of time that nearly made me to lose my life. That is why I appreciate abongaka more than anything else.
Asingene straight ke manje ke into indaba yokuthwala. Abantu bathwele sibona amaviano kunento ezitrendayo ku social media but hey mawubona le nto ehleli lapha phezulu ile fake lenyoka ukuthwala. The different types zokuthwala bathwala kanjani abantu and why abantu mele baze bathwale and what powers are they using? I know it's supernatural powers but ikhona ngempela lento yokuthwala.
No, but then you can't say why batho bathwala. Skimmy, as you can see, our government is failing us. Motho ona le degree o dutse gae. O ya ko stratong le kisha ditamati trying to make a living. I don't blame them, ba ba rwalang, but yet I'm not condoning it.
Yeah.
Nora, it's the most difficult one because once o rwala ka yona, let me say ke mokoni ko go fa yona. For nna, o tlo dula 2 days o sa je. Ke go file dipheko ka mo roomong e senang di windows. Ena le monyako fela wa tswalla. Go ne le tse ke tlo go fang tsona o di phethela nakedly so.
Ka lepone.
Yes. There's no light ka mo ga o je. Yet you won't die. Go fa dipheko ke a go gaya e o Nora specifically go gore e berekisha wena ke wena madi a gago le mahlatse a gago. That 2 days e tla boleng ka mo, believe me, after that 2 days to go you'll be rich. O kry tšhelete batho ba ska bolela maka gore no o tlo no e bona e tletše ka mo ai no a ka no tla mo go wena a re skimi ke kgopela o ntirela 1 2 3 o ka se gane even if it attracts batho ba ba nang le tšhelete ba di-tender ba eng even if nna a kere I have nothing ke ya ko go wena you've got something you'll go over o tlo mfa sa go feta se wena ke se kgopetšeng ke matla a Nora you'll get more money ka letšatši you can make 500,000 but then now ka Nora e ya ka pelo ya motho your favorite ngwana gago o mo ratang a ka tlhokofala e tšea motho o wena o mo ratang that's the more you get money then re ya ko bafana ba nnyane bona the minute o tlhaba a kere you slaughter a chicken the next thing ke pudi the next thing ke kgomo a e sa tlo nyaka tšeo e tlo nyaka ko family ya tetopela if ke today the next year the very same day ya topa njalo njalo but you be rich then re ya ko legotlo o le skimi santse o robale le bana ba bannyane e nyaka madi a ma-fresh the more o robala le bana ba varsity bo 21 remember a se rape ba over 18 ke madi a ma-fresh o ka no mo fa le 50k for the night fela o spendileng le yena you'll get more money e nyaka madi a ma-fresh then wa robala le mme ko ntlong you decreases your luck but yona strictly e nyaka madi a ma-fresh that is why the sugar daddy di robala le ma-Ben 10 they benefit more because it gets fresh blood now re ya ko mohlare them o nušetša ka meleke that determines your age ha ke re ke le isihlahla mohlare tree
that's right
ka mowe o nnang no one enters ko wena o le fela o e fang that meleke and the more o gola the more o kry-a tšhelete then santse o robaleleng man to man
yabhimba ke ikhwaya manje okay
yes
muhlari so
but the good thing about it you don't kill it doesn't kill
hayi manje ukhuluma enye igame mara yangilimita lento because uyabona angithi lento inama-right eSouth Africa yabona into eyiningi ipasisiwe so kukhona into eyikhulumayo khona into ekumele ubheke ubale namagama akho yabo ngoba iyabuya kuwe ngale social media but I don't want to be selective in my asking in my questions I just want to make sure that we are touching everywhere so I want to understand taba ya man to man I know into yasekhantrini bafethu we cannot talk about it enough see I understand it's all over nasema TV and everywhere but why specifically besithi men because I know a lot of young people now are saying oh ubani that's why athanda labafana maru rich
ba bang e ya ka gore o rwele ka eng e nyaka eng you might be gay mara wa kry le gore ha wa rwala it's not every gay o e leng gore o rwele there are few but go rwala ka ewe you get more money oba rich the minute o data
hayi askis ubabona kanjani abathwele asithi vele uyile setup mara umbona kanjani makathwele
ummona ka ge a dula le banna le basadi you'll be scheme o na le mosadi mara o nyoko yo go balana le monna
okay
I think I don't want to mention people but someone already said ba mo expose it's all over social media o dula leng nna le ngwanyana but o robala le banna that's an obvious
okay
rena dingaka se re tseba gore what is happening
o rwetse ha itsa maka mkho
yes but o le scheme o nna le monna it's your choice possibilities are high that
that's an example wrong man I scheme mara is all right okay hey
but ke nyaka gore o kwishishe gore it's not everyone willing gay are willing ba bangwe
Yeah.
they are that because of barweli, they
Yeah.
getting more. And at the minute we are ko mosadi,
Yeah.
ya
But let's
fokotsega
understand, you
matlhatsi a
once
gago.
mentioned something, re dutse re la ko podcast, go TikTok, and you were mentioning something about the power that comes from the behind. I get there are
Yo.
benefits. So I want to understand that part. We quick nyana. What's the story? Ngare ke battery to coil. It's a direct translation.
That one I can say skimi now, or you can o ka tlisha o moane
Yeah.
ka go fa mogakwa ne
Yeah.
wa o berekisha mo go wena mo pele, then wa kry the guy wa ya ko morago.
Yeah.
You'll be it's a se ntho ya gore o tlo emela next month or it's very much powerful. Same time ka morakwa
Chocolate box.
le nyumbela, very very yes. I've got a happy client wa re le mokoni. I don't know gore ko go feng.
Hey,
I'm more than happy.
uja chocolate.
Yes, o rich. But now the problem ko gore yena it's not o rata banyana tlhago ya gage. It's a womanizer. Now ga ya kwa o tlila mpotsa re mokoni ke a tlabega ge ke ya ka kwa di a fokotsega, but ge ke ya ka kwa yes
Eish.
and I'm happy with that. Now I want to get married. What do I do?
Let's say you just want to educate someone and these young boys and babona nkare dating is simple wabona? Because we were just rona scraping off the surface and talking nkare ra swaswa fela because we are saying gay, lesbian. Now the plot the tables are turning now and it's becoming difficult because batho ba jiwa, but for the benefit. Akere bona about it. So how do we educate bafana ba strata?
Kore they should see the signs are always there.
Yeah.
Motano or no o shota eng bafana e re go thushe.
Yeah.
It's not like motho we if you are helping me I'll benefit selo,
Yeah.
then you should start by checking or more there's something. You want to assist me,
Yeah.
but I'll benefit selo. Why? Sanjo we told me more. Like nna ke a donate ko dikolong.
Yeah.
I'm not getting anything in return, but I'm doing it for na personal because ga ke na batswadi.
Yeah.
I know the feeling ya go tlhoka batswadi.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I'm doing that. Then now, ke be rich ke home and then ke late ngwana ngwanyana ke re let's do this. Then you need to ask yourself for why mokoni a dira so. What's the catch? Go ne le mo ileng gore wa benefita gone. A chocolate box, believe you me, I've got happy clients. Bona they are happy and ba humile. The good thing about it ke gore a gona motho a tlhokofalang, but it damages you inside.
Is it? It damage amang o etsang or o ba mo etsang.
O yetsang.
Yeah.
If nna ke dira
Yeah.
wena you get more damaged than nna o ke go dirang.
Oh.
The honest.
Is it?
Because ya ja.
Yeah.
E nyaka madi a la kere.
Yeah. Mara tšhelete kopana jwang le masepo. It's dideng yang confuse jwale gore ke a utlwa gore no ba kena or ba so ya fitla mo ba reng tshwantse go swapane ko teng.
You can't.
Yeah. Or because
You
when I go
can't.
or wetseng.
You
So,
can't.
or it must go just one way.
It's
on
one
the
way,
traffic.
not
Yeah.
both way.
A re ye ko ditlapong because there are a lot of people ba tletseng wa bona nkare ke senior space jalo ba tse vethu moshe sibanga manje skim ngobo expose into zethu. We are not talking prison today, we are talking real life. So I want to understand from you Mokoni. Go na le batho ba thola ba busy ba bang ba elahlela ba bang ba eja o mongwe o dutse ko khoneng ha o kena ko tlapong go na le smoke go na le banyana e batlang ntwe o tloe o ha ba re o rwetse ka eng o.
Number one, ke nyombe ene ke bolela ka yona ya bofelo. Nyombe is so. He ke fitla ko tlapong. I will sense gore mang le mang o na le batlhatsi, mang le mang eng.
Yeah.
And then I must hand out money. E tlo mfa more money. E tšea matlhatsi a bona. Ke tlo go fa tšhelete. When that money that you taking or reka 1 2 3, you'll be happy yo at least I'm rich ke kerele tšhelete or ke kerele tšhelete a mahala tlapong mang kae. E tšea matlhatsi a gago.
Yeah.
Ya ko tlapeng e tšea matlhatsi a gago. O tlo bona dilo tša gago di sa tsamaye gabotse. Or dilo no bereka o le sharp. Now things mmereko fedile.
Yeah.
That's how it works. And I still have to put more for me to get more extra. Ke double.
Yeah.
The more ke ntsha tšhelete, the double that I receive.
Mara any sign Mokoni maybe letsogong the way a fanang ka teng because abantu angithi abayazi then bayambona umuntu because you cannot spot them with the naked eye. It's like organized crime. You won't tell if I'm carrying a gun or not unless ngenze action.
e tšee sone. Say to me mokoni mfe tšhelete.
Yeah.
I would say itla ko ntlong ke tlo go fa. I won't transfer to you. That's number one. Nka se go transfer le tšhelete.
Oh, abasebetsi ka di-transfer. Okay.
Santse o ikere mo letsogong ke tšea matlhatse a gago ke go fa tšhelete.
Oh, ha botse app never. There is no way.
Ke tšea matlhatse la gago ke go fa the little that I'm having. Now I'll be getting 10 times that.
Yeah.
O šomiša matlhatse a batho. And you'll benefit a lot. I just wish gore ke bolele le modala. I don't think he will have a problem ya go tla a bolele about that and he's happy.
Yeah.
But the problem ke gore o robala montshegare so
Yeah.
at night o busy wa bereka is not sleeping. That's the only problem that he's having now.
Is it?
He can't sleep at night.
Why?
E nyako ba busy. So robala montshegare at night o ba ditlapong o fa bana ditšhelete and all that. Remember, that's how it works.
All right. Now let's talk about the disadvantages because a lot of them they die, some death, omung hashwa. You don't understand what's happening ka ena. Family ya hae wa thakathakana. O bona dintho di ya di ntse di fokotseha one by one until le yena o tlo ba rovaile. So I want to know the disadvantage ya la banta ba 12 la.
No, the thing gore ba bangwe o lebana maikano. A o ikanneng ka ona. Ya mhlare go fa mengwaga ha o itšea no o le scheme. Every 60 years you'll be gone wa tsamaya wa tlhokofala. A ke re mohlare wa gola. The more o gola, the more le age ga go e fitla 60 you're passing away. E go fa mengwaga but wena you won't know gore o tlo tlhokofala jwang. E ka no ba car accident. O ka no kra ba re o tepolaile. Ba sa tsebe gore no na le mathata. Ke yona e go fa mengwaga. Mhlare go fa mengwaga strictly. Ga o re 60 o basta mhlare le wena wa tlhokofala like that guy was Zimbabwe. Yeah, so yeah, it's go ipofa o rwala. Dingaka santse di go botse nnete gore the consequences di tlamorago tša go rwala ntho ke eng. Go tshwana le nnore e tlo tša your loved one, your favorite o wena o motšereng wa mmepele. If you love your mom yo tša mama gago, then o tlo mmoloka after mo o tlo boloka gape and then what? O santse o tsebe gore go rwala di tlamorago tša that thing ke eng. Are you willing? So ba bangwe dingaka ba ka se go botse nnete ba go tlogela wa rwala then ha o fetša wa tla o tla mo go nna ke le mokone a wa rwadiša ke nna o tlo lla go nna then you expect me to assist you. It's not good. Na I wouldn't advise batho gore ba rwala rather o phagamiše le dlozi la gago bereke ka modimo wa gago. That's the best way.
O yenza kanjani le nto uphakamise dlozi?
Skimi mo gola ne ke pheko e leng gore ke mixa le pheko ya go tšwa mhlaba wa lingana. So ge ke di kopantše ke bitša badimo ba ga bo mama le ba ga bo papa. But first I need to check matlhatse a gago. Ke bereka ka matlhatse a gago your luck. A ke re wena ga geno le go tše le sokola. We check gore ko the late or the grand grade ko morago ga gona motho e leng gore na le kaone na. Re bereka ka matlhatse ga go ra wa phagamiša ra mixa le makhura a sandawane. Most e berekiša ke batho ba di dice. But rena re kgona go phagamiša gore ke re rekiša ditamati. Ba nna makala gore motho la ka no dula mo la tafoleng the whole day a rekiša ditamati there's something fish. Ba bona neng o tla ka vene re phagamiša. And the more wena o itla go reka o le scheme no re ai ere ke reke mo today a ke ko ulwetse. I'll pass by ke reke mo matlhatse a gago le ona a shala gona mola. Re phagamiša matlhatse a gago ka modimo wa gago and it attracts batho ba ba nang le tšhelete.
Ha re bua ka boloi straight o bothakati. Boloi bo teng o ra boya.
Boloi bo gona. Last time I remember telling you gore I exposed one of my family members. So nakedly so mo gating a kaka a shia makaka mo le madi. So ba mo tšere video. They've sent it to me barao. Me ba go leka ba ronga kanyana ya ngwanyana re tla bona re tla fella ka ra it's fine let them proceed ba tlo nkra ke ba image.
So what do we call that? Do we call it protection or ibitsa boloi? because akere bona ne batla ko wena, is it self-defense or what do you call
Yeah, ke self-defense. But still, I can say ke boloi, skimmy, because now ka se nthomi ka go tlogela. Ka re ke tlo go fa modimo. No.
Yeah.
Wena wa mpha modimo.
Yeah.
So you expect me gore ko fe modimo? I can't. Now ka se nthomi ka go tlogela. No.
Let's say go tla motho ko wena and I don't know man ke tlhopwa ke mesh. Ke na le mathata a mantši ke batla re dile ka yena mesh. Wa thusanya ke assisted whatever iba organized crime, don't you feel gore no le nna part of or wa mfa ntho a mo fang yona mesh o ra tsamaya?
Depending, I will ask you gore you want me to do it for you or you will do it for yourself.
Yeah.
But before then, I check what's the main problem.
Yeah.
The reason why motho a irake eng, cause ke eng before anything.
Yeah.
I don't just say it's a mo dira whatever. No, I will check you first. Or okay, problem ke mesh. When only scheme me, okay, when I mesh le bakang. Then I'll say, okay, you've got two options.
Yeah.
O mo dira so or o dira so. Then when you'll decide, or no, nna ke nyoko motlosha ke le scheme. Ke go fa pheko, o e bereka 12 o'clock midnight ka mapona. I instruct you what kirela. Go boa ge motho a seno a robala goba a tlhokofala. You have to come back to me ko go bereke ka lejwa so that mothola if family yo bereka stop, it doesn't come back to you. Ke lejwa.
Mara o feeling gare le wena wa bolaya, because the problem is le wena o teng mo. This is organized crime because your hand is in there. You are an enabler because you are enabling them.
No, I've instructed you what to do. I didn't do it.
Yeah.
Ko go fa dipheko wa tsama o di dira.
Yeah.
I didn't take them, do it myself and hit. Ke fa wena dipheko wa tsama o di direla.
So ngaka ya lawyer and not feel guilty. Whether motho a shwa or o shwele, because we've seen it even, ko batho ba television, and because boloi it's all over.
I don't, na personally, a ke filele motho sorry o yena sa nkweleng botlhoko. I'm one person, that is why I've said it le mo mathomo gore ke wisha go lla, just like everyone else. O ka emela no one tlapa. Wa kore wa nkwatisha o dira gore ke bele, but for me gore ke lla I can't. Ko omella or ka dira something. Ke wisha go lla go tshwana le batho ba bang, but I can't. So now I kena pelo ela. That is why now I'm trying by all means nna myself ke ntse ke le ngaka to get help, just to be able to forgive. That's my biggest, I'm struggling to forgive. I find it very, very much difficult to forgive. Even my blood sister. I'm trying it, but I'm failing. That's the problem that I'm facing even today.
Do you think it's something that's spiritual, or is it something?
I don't know. Or maybe it's who I am. I don't know. I'm trying by all means to give that forgiving heart.
Yeah.
That's I don't know. That is why le ge motho a ka tla a re Mokoni 1 2 3 once ke tsholla dipheko ke bona gore this is the thing. Wow, I can't wait to hit. Ke dira ka passion, like with all my heart. And I can miss.
Mara Mokoni, let's say motho lo ana le mama gage o lo ana le papa gage and ba o jwetsa gore no mthako ha nkiri sentle re batla vai batho ba register batho ba ba ngwadise go di insuranceeng wa bone se ba tsogile. So do you partake in something like that? Remember, they are not offense. If ba hlokofala batswadi, they won't be offense. But the fact remains is this is your blood. Ba bolaya through go twala and all of that. But don't you feel nyana some pity nyana gore no maitse ke motho, but they are minding their own business. Hankira for call motho. Do you try and mediate or mitigating factors, but someone comes and say monna motho ke matla vaile?
Number 1, ke communicate lo ene ke go botsa gore now that you want to unyaka go tsamaisha this person, you're going to live the rest of your life with that. If ke tšholotse dipheko ke tlo kgona go botsa gore they still go sana le chance ya gore you can still fix dilo between wena le motswadi wa gago. Nka go fa le pheko gore o tlhape gore go se tlhole go iba le ntwa between lena. But o mongwe a re o ntiretse so o robetse le mosadi wa ka ebile o na le ngwana le mosadi wa ka and this. Now it's beyond my control. Ke go fa pheko you hit. I've got nothing to do with that. I don't know the person. So I ke feel pain. I don't know you. The only time nna mo ke feelang pain ke ka ngwana. But besides that, I don't feel anything.
Straight.
Yeah. Mpotso gore motho o moso wa ntshwenya o mfa bothata 1 2 3. Ke tlo go botsa gore mphele bitso le sefane. Ke be snap o tlo bona motho a tikakela mo ko mmereko nga sa re. No, I can do that. I'm not gonna charge you.
Yeah.
I can do that for free. I'm not gonna charge, but as long as yena a le comfortable with it, because batho ba tlo bona di private parts borogo santse bo efa so tlo ngaka go bonganga. Then I don't have a problem with that. For free, I'm not even gonna charge for that. Just to bontsha batho gore this thing they are happening. Ke na le dipheko mo koloing. I don't mind doing that. Today ke tlile ke le sorted and I'm not gonna charge you. Re no bontsha batho gore this thing no go na le batho kre le gore they talk and talk but ga ba react there's nothing that they're putting on the table.
Yeah.
So match if alawa wa tla ra dira. I don't have a problem. Ke ya mo koloing. Re betha dipheko we do that.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna charge you or yena just to bontsha gore this thing dia diragala a se magic. Mogala bo ke tsamaile ena fela. Yeah, so yeah.
Hey, ke ditaba straight. A re bua ka love life. Motho ha sa kene mo keneng ko teng. Are things still normal? You can still live a normal life?
I don't want to lie. No, it's not.
Yeah.
Just that my husband wanted to come, but unfortunately,
yes, but utle phela next time, but
so I would love that. Lena Shem now we sure why usarika to at least in a kitlo torch. I've got few dockets. I need to be in court 1 2 3. That's the time that they've given me.
Yeah.
And yena, I don't want to lie or ke te pie gore ke motho mo kaona, but he's the person to respond better more because there will be a time mo ileng gore a ke monyake at all next to me.
Yeah.
Yena o kry le gore o fila gore let's make love. Now I'm not there. And then you must remember gore besides Sidimo Saka, I'm a human being.
Yeah.
Now yena I will say I'm lucky to have him because he was clueless when coming to dilo tsa badimo. Ke mo Christian just like you. But then now because of love, tlamehile ang support as much as le nna ke mo support. Sundays when we go to church, we go to church. Ye ya ka pheko ya shala ye ko kerekeng this one.
Yeah, e ka tlhakanya dilo.
Yeah. So now ke am supporter one support, but sometimes ke feel gore it's not fair.
Yeah.
The pain that sometimes is going through, and then ke khone go moja and you've said this, why didn't you protect me? Asena modimo. Some of the things I can tell you this will happen. I will try by all means to be a protector, but I'm not God.
But now, are you playing fair? In an event where you feel gore wa itse o one day now, one trial, ke batho motho wa khathala, motho na le matlho wa bona, and then a decide to cheat. Would you play otherwise? Honestly so.
Kinga ka sin cheat. Let's start there. And cheat.
Mona ki prison break go trongo ngo diamond.
No. I say ke mo kereile le gore tlhagong ya gaga se motho wa rata basadi.
Yeah.
But then nna I rather be safe than sorry.
Yeah.
I know what I have to do.
Yeah.
For me, or I be happy as kaya kontle. If kingakane, but when coming to kompeto, if I want to be woman on top, you must allow me to do that.
Yeah.
If we want to do feral, I must do that. I play my part, he play his part.
Yeah.
Mara ya go cheata, aga say leg. If there's something, eki feeling or something is not right, ke moja. Or yena, he will tell me before, Arish Mraj, mketo gape o dira some funny moves. Then I know what to do. Without gore ke lwe le yena, goba ke rase le yena. Monna ke ngwana, ha nyake leshata. Ha nyake go manyiwa. The minute I see something, then I will be knowing gore I have to act. Na my part mo ileng gore I will be saying I'm not fair. Ke mo ileng gore o kry antena. I will miss him a le ko ga fitla the minute a fitla wa ntsheleka. Then I will be knowing gore mogekolo go ba modimo mongwe o fitlhile. Then at least luckily he knows me. What's gore there's something mogala bole o fitlhile.
Re
Then
kwala ka bo
santse a be right.
re kwala ka bo pastor. Bo pastor ba tletse dikereke. You were mentioning the other day taba ya di-ring gore people ba na le di-accessories tse dingwe wa di bona gore e ya bua e. So bo pastor le go rwala bo pastor le o attenda lona ke a utlwa ba re no o le ka mmona e tletse 5,000 capacity mara o tsamaya ko nna.
Yeah, it's true. I think if you've seen me more Dingangishano show, yeah, channel 262, we once spoken about that, and as a spirit, the pastor di atla mo rena di abofa. But we can't expose re skimut le mo rena dira 1 2 3. No. Se se leng ka Ndombeng, se thoma ka Ndombeng se fella ka mo Ndombeng. Once ke tswa ka mo Ndombeng, I cannot tell people what they have been talking about. Pastor and most ra ba itla batla boshego. Ke a mo fa pheko re mokoni gape batho ba satla. Monielo. Ke a go fa pheko ya mmitsa ka go follela tsona ka go botsa re tsa mo pheta. Ye nngwe o tlhapa ka yona.
You respect and you fear God. So don't you think gore no man we are bullshitting dilo tsa modimo jwale.
I once asked Pastor Kere, why o sa botse the very same God o believang go yena gore a go fe batho? A re no, tse dingwe di nyaka because rena ra di tseba ne ra di tsamaya. So who am I to judge? Ke mo file dipheko. No o thabile yona ela ya monielo le nielang ka yona. E tla mo go mokoni o tla go leboga and then life goes on. And he's happy. Ana stress.
Mukoni, how do you juggle in between? Because on a lead life, I think say 7. Just to name a few, advocate, unga kakamo, right, mutswadi, and you are a businesswoman and a successful businesswoman. You are an actress. Where's the voice of? So you are doing. That's why we're not tagline now, but you are a jack of all trades. How do you juggle all of this?
I'm queen of all trades. Ke queen of all trades. Into isone. When coming to acting, ne, it's what I love.
Passion.
Ke rata gore it's in me. Ke prefer gore batho ba phele se ba dire se ba leng sona. Don't live a lie.
Yeah.
Try to fit in go ditlhakong tsa batho. Be yourself.
Yeah.
Motho a go rate se wena o leng sona. My favorite actor ke Molefe Zwide.
Yeah.
Ke Molfo kane say name the real name ke Motlatsi Mafatsi. If you can check character ya hai ya ko House of Zwide. He's the best.
Yeah.
And yet ke motswadi. So character ya hai itself it says a lot ka yena.
Yeah.
So na I prefer to be myself. Motho anthate se ke leng sona than o ngratele what I'm not, because that one it tlo tswa and then what will happen? Dikosha tsa ka di tlo tswa very soon. Mo ke binang dikosha tsa Spade.
Yeah.
Engwe ke bitsa queen of all trades. Mo ileng gore I do everything. I mess up, I be myself. I appreciate. I'm one person, I'm not a humble somebody. Le re nka zama gore e re ke kokobetse nyana ai. So I've tried. And then rona le different between go ba rude le go bolela le go ba calm le go ba rough.
Yeah.
Ke talkative. I'm not a humble somebody, mara ke telle motho. Mara ntshwenye. Then you'll see the real me.
Indaba yokuthomba ngesindebele, indaba yentaba, indaba ye tradition ne culture. Do you think ukuthi sisabambe into yamasiko the way, because I see a lot of young people are dying lapha entabeni nani unokubafaka nawo nokuthi kuyiwe komeni and stuff? Is it still organic? Is it still the way it should be?
No, because eish gale a go tshwane le no man gale ne ba tshwere that quality
Yeah.
and ba tlhompha
Yeah.
everything no baswa ba sa tlhompha motho o tlo go botsa gore a ba no ikhatha what's that gale no sa tsebe gore go iwa komeng
Who's why?
then what is happening there everything e ba sephiri no ba no go botsa gore a ikhatha a risha bana sekamo those things gale ne ba respecta setso ne ba respecta lo tse ba di dirang ba di fihla no dilo di mo pepeneneng go bereka technology a ba sa tlhompha
Yeah.
so things have changed but nna ke wish o ka re dilo they could go back to the olden days because
Yeah, re kwala ka spirituality ka taba ya soul ties, spiritual soul ties. O buile ka batho ba robala le bana ba banyane for luck and all of that. How complicated and how important also as a woman gore o itshware pila o ska tsamaya o robala le bafana ba. Again, food vice versa as a young boy or a young adult gore o ska ntse o tsamaya o robalana le ndaba ya spirituality, the soul ties. What are the complications? What are the repercussions there?
kore you don't how lose fela boka bo wena o lose a lot of things
Yeah.
because ha re robalana we shed the sweat yona chila ela itself batho ga ba itse important a ba itse specific ntho e serious but then o lose a lot because we inhale and exchange sweat ela itself is very much important o tšea ditšhila tša motho o kry ba re motho ba mo tšhetše ke seqetho
Yeah.
it's not a good thing ga wa tshwanna kore sex it's very much batho ba itša specific ntho fela e le gore go tshwana le batho ba ba go rekisa this nowadays ba tla ba tlhapa re ba iša nokeng ra ba bofa ra ba thega because they now understand yes the sex workers they now understand the danger of it nna go njwa le go ka robala le mogatšaka wa re wa tukutswa a ke tlo re ke tlo go bereka no o tlo bona ka di-sign without gore o tle ko ntlong the minute o robala le yena ko le robalang you will see the signs ka kua fase ka kua o ka senkge monate
Kusazoba busy. Hey, boss, bathe okakisa masishane. Hey, nesibongile manje emakhaya. Thank you very much for usister Umukoni, the Black Beauty, the queen of all trades. Ngiyabonga sister for opening up, and also I know ukuthi abantu ababhaya bafundile ekhaya. So it's always good ukuthi abantu ngathi ungabapha ama-preventative measures than someone osekakhona olimele, but it's easy to repair someone osesela intwana, but once wangena ngale ukubuya bathi ukuphenduka sekuyi-problem kuba i-traffic. So why we came up with this idea in the show, it was because a lot of people were complaining manje ama-concerns ukuthi man, listen chief, you're passionate about inmates, you're passionate about ex-inmates, you're passionate about Boksburg, Sun City, about the inmates ukuthi zingakhi Africa or zingakhi South Africa, but what about the civil society? We need people man abazofika bakhuluma itori zabo. So you are in safe hands. From now going forward, you are in for a treat. We'll be bringing a lot and lots and lots of stories. So when Amelo Hambe, we are on a fact-finding mission. How true is this thing? So Fandak, I'm sure you have learned some things on this episode. Until the next episode, you're still tuned into Earrings and Bearings. Keep well and stay blessed. I love you all. Thank you, Mamkoni. Thank you very much. Thank you.